Alright, y'all, so I'm in Michael's and we looking for a bling sticker and also letters. Let's find a bling sticker first. What I mean by bling stickers is like something like that, but I do not like gold, so we're doing silk. Ah, perfect. Okay, and it's only $5.39. So I have 7 of these, so I don't know how many I will need because I'm freestyling, so I'm just gonna get 7 of these. They only got this. Hopefully they have more. If not, at least I can do one and show you guys how to do it. So then you go find some letters of your choice, different fonts to use. Some letters right here. I don't want to put silver on silver because you're not going to be able to see it. So since my colors are silver and black, I'm looking for some black letters. Perfect. Okay. So I think I found me some letters, y'all. So that's all you will need from here is your letters and your sticker. And that's this. Okay, so today we are going to make a table holder. I don't know what would you really call that. I have tables at my party. Of course, y'all, this is another DIY for my birthday party. So I have tables at my party and I need them to know which table is theirs. So I'm using this plexiglass that I got from a Gap that was going out of business. So I literally got it probably like 20 of them for $5, but I will show a picture where you can get this or something similar for $1.54. So yeah, that would help if you want to do this project. You can use them for table centerpieces, whatever you come up with, but I'm using them to let people know which table is theirs. So of course you will need this plexiglass. You will need some bling stickers. I got this from Michael's. You will also need letters. Of course, glue gun, glue stick, and scissors. So, yeah, let's get into it. So I forgot to mention that you may need Windex. I stay with some Windex. You may need Windex if it's dusty like mine's because it's been in the closet for like forever. So just give it a little wipe down. If you don't have Windex, use water. Anything to just get the dust that's previously on there off. So just give it a nice little wipe down. Okay, after you do that, get your bling sticker, y'all. Whatever bling sticker that you have chosen, basically it's a sticker. So I'm gonna show you once I open it up that you can peel the back off, and it literally gonna stick to whatever you put it on. So if you want to use like a glass cup, plate, a mirror, anything you want to bling out, you can get this little sticker thing. It don't have to be what I'm using. So peel it off. And you want to place it on the very edge. Measure it out. Like this. And I'm not going to do the back. I'm not going to do the back side. I'm just going to turn the light down so y'all can see. I'm not going to do the back side. I'm just going to do the front. And another thing, if you do get this one, it got a little split in the middle so you can actually stick stuff down there, but I'm not doing that. But you can actually put stuff inside of here if that's what you want to do. Okay, so after you do that, take your scissors and cut off the excess sticker that you have left. And another thing you can do is take a marker and just draw a line and then peel it off and cut, but I'm going to do it this way. Get it as close to the edge as possible. After you get it to the edge, just give it a little push. Like just to make sure it's like really sticking to there. cut off any excess that you have left over that's hanging over. If it don't cut, just give it a pull, y'all. It's a sticker, so it will come off. And give it a little push in. See? It's pretty already. And that's how the back side look. Okay, so the sticker that you have left over, if you have to fill that in, I'm not sure how big, how tall, how wide yours is, but if you have some left over, no worries. To fill is no worries. Use your extra that you have. Don't use the part that you already cut. Use the other end of the sticker because it has a more straighter line. Don't line it up. You don't want to line it up like that. Go over it a little tiny bit. So instead of lining it up, you want to overlap it a little bit. And remember to make sure it's at the edge. Once you do that, press in the middle where that line is at. Give it a press. And you're doing it this way so you can make the line look visible like there was never a line there. See? It's over, y'all. All right, cut off your extra. Get as close to the edge as possible. Whatever extra you have, put it back on a sticker so you can use it again. Not sure how many you have to do. And give it a push in. You want to push it so it looks like it's made like that. Just push it. Finish covering it if you have to. Now, some at the top, it comes, oh, this light is too bright. Okay, at the top, it comes in a different, you see it? Okay, it comes like in a style. Some may come straight across, some may come in a style. So if you have a style and you no longer want it and you want it to be boxed, you can leave it like this, but I like the little dip that it had. So I'm just going to give it a little cut straight down the middle until it stops. Push my hand backwards like that, and there you go. That's it. But I am going to cut some of it off. It's not going to, remember y'all, if it don't cut, just pull. It's not going to lay flat. That's why you have your, because of the bend. But no worries, because that's why you have your glue stick. And your glue gun, I'm sorry. You'll take your glue gun. Put some glue onto the sticker and bend whatever needs to be bent. I'm not putting anything in the middle of a card, so I'm not really worried about it. Sorry, y'all, my phone went dead. But what I was saying was I'm not putting anything inside, so I don't mind if that little thing we bent is blocking it some. But I cut it so that it wasn't because I never know. If I want to put something inside, maybe you'll see it. See, but I'm not. I'm just going to decorate the front of it. I got my light off because it is so bright. I mean, you can tell the blink already. Ooh. So, at this step, you should have it looking just like this. It should look like this. It should be covered. I'm not sure if you're doing yours front and back. I'm not, but the front of mine is ready to get its name on it. So I do have smaller letters, and I have smaller letters for those who have longer names. But for this particular table, her name is Twin. So that's all I'm putting on here is spelling her name out in the bigger letters that I do have. The letters you choose is optional, y'all. Just go with whatever you want to use. I went with this because it has glitter in it. So I'm now looking for the word Twin. I I peeled it and it's not sticky, but it's no problem because we got our glue gun. So if yours not sticky and yours is wooden like mine's, add some glue, not too much, because you don't want it to spill out on the side. Add some glue and place it however you want. I'm gonna go in the center since it's not but so big. Okay, give it a little push. And the best thing about this, when you're finished with this, y'all, you can let it just pull this sticker up, throw it in the trash, and then you back with your plain plexiglass. You can use it for something else. Yeah, so far we got a T. So y'all go ahead and fill in, oh, okay, so it is a stick. It does stick. I guess I'm just too heavy-handed. But for extra support, I want to glue it anyway. But go ahead and fill your name in. I'm going to do mine. And yeah, that will be all. And I will show y'all the videos and pictures of how that turned out. And you can add extra little stuff to it. We got punctuation marks and little smiley faces. That's totally up to you. You can style the front however you want. I just gave you the main fact of what to be done. But you can get as detailed as you want. I'm not doing the most, so yeah. I'm going to go fill this in, and then I'll get back to you with showing you how it looks. Okay, y'all, this is the finishing product. Y'all can write the letters up, down, sideways, you know, design it however you want to do it. I want it to just be simple because I am going to have balloons coming from this. So I didn't want to do too much with this, but I had an idea. Remember, y'all know the back is plain. I'm going to actually put the menu here. I'm going to just regular type up on a regular piece of paper and stick it right through here. Stick it right in there, y'all. So the back going to have a menu. And the front is just telling them what table is theirs by their name. So I have 7 of these so far to do. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me what you think about this tutorial. This looks good. Y'all ready for the broken bougie theme party? Because I am. This definitely looks bougie.